Okay, so removing this bezel because the light switch is broken. It's supposed to go click, click, and twist, and when you pull it, it just slides right out. And for a while, it was doing that, but it would still click, and now it has just stopped clicking. It's kind of loose and shaky. So I got one from a parts vehicle that I have. Now we're removing this. Okay, so there's screws here, 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 and then along the bottom. Here, 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 here. 4 on the bottom, 3 on the top, 2 in the front, and then if you carefully move it, it will come off. So I need my other hand. Hold on. Okay, so I got it off. Kind of lean it forward, and then I just flipped it over because I didn't want to undo the wires that are on the defrost. So that should be fine. We'll flip it back over when we're done. But someone's been in here messing around already. It's like half glued back together. And I mean, kind of looks like the glue I used to use, and maybe I did that. I don't remember. I mean, I've owned this car since 2007, so there's a good possibility that I did that. Okay, so I'm gonna have to glue back a tab on the wiper thing, it looks like, maybe, or something. And the headlight switch is definitely broken too. Well, hey buddy, what are you doing? Hi my little buddy, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hi. Yes. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? You are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yeah. Okay, we gotta fix this light. But you're so cute. You're so cute. What's up, buddy? Okay, come with me. Let's go look at the other switch. Okay, so here's the switch that I got from the parts car. And yeah, it looks like this whole top bracket must be broken off on the old one. So strike one, but then also just the stick didn't even work. This one appears to work. Just hopefully these plugs are the same. So I gotta take all that out of there and unplug it and just verify, I guess. Here we go. So we got the switch off. It's kind of a good news, bad news type of thing. Good news, the switch is the same as the one we got. It should work to replace it. Bad news is we kind of have more than one issue than just a broken switch. This connector got hot, melted a bunch. It looks like just this wire here. Yellow one, obviously power of some kind. So I guess we should probably try and figure out why that happened. Or I guess we can just kind of fix it and install the switch and see if it happens again. That's probably what we'll do. See how many of these switches we can wreck. Just kidding. Yeah, that could have burnt the car down, really, though, so that's concerning. That is concerning. Also, just noticed that the new old part already has a crack in one of the pieces around the bolt hole. So I'm gonna JB weld that before I even install it in the first place. Still better than what we took out though. So I got the new light switch plugged in. Geez, that plug was annoying. There's like 10 different plugs on the one thing and they're just all over the place. So now we gotta attach the wiper switch back to the headlight switch and then screw them all into the plastic piece there and then put the surround back in and she should be good to go. I just tested it out and the lights come on. Right there, see those are the markers. Boom. There's the headlights. Well, I couldn't totally unhook my wiper switch all the way because it's got the delay thing on there, I guess. We got this extra wire that had no connector on it, so I had to cut it and put a spade on it. Put a spade on the other super short end. Now this has to install in through there like that. That has to screw in there, and then that all has to plug back in. Okay, then I'll be done. So that's all good and fine and everything, except now you can't hook that little spade connector back up because it's too short once you push the whole unit in there. So I made a spade connector for the spade connector. Well, let's get her done. Had to find a couple extra screws and stuff from the parts car, but she's all back together. Looking pretty good. Everything works. Yep. Tight.
Yeah.